Hey kids, so let's begin with exercise 6.2 from chapter number 6, integers. Question number 1. Using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. So here we are going to draw a number line. It should be neat and clean. Again, I am repeating with the scale and pencil. So 3 more than, whenever it is more, that means you have to add. So 3 plus 5 will be 8. Basically, when you do the calculation in the rough column, 3 plus 5 is going to give you 8. So we'll go on 5 and we have to add 3. 1, 2 and 3. So you have reached on 8 and your answer is 8. Easy. The next question, 5 more than minus 5. So again, a number line. From minus 5 you are going to jump for 5 times because it is minus 5 plus 5. Okay. Minus plus will give minus, so the answer will come to 0. C, 6 less than 2. So it's going to be 2 minus 6. Okay, so the negative sign is with the 6. So here, when from the 2, you are going to jump to the left hand side because it is subtraction. So where you are going to reach? Minus 4. So your answer is minus 4. Easy. Now question D, 3 less than minus 2. So it's going to be minus 2 minus 3. So we are going to put a arrow on minus 2 and we have to less than. So it's subtraction. We'll go on to the left hand side. Answer is minus 5. Second question, use the number line and add the following. First is 9 plus minus 6. So you'll open the bracket. 9 minus 6 will give the answer 3. But we'll do from the number line. From 9 you are going to subtract 6 times. You are going to jump. You are going to reach 3. Easy. 5 plus minus 11. If you open the bracket, plus minus will be minus. 5 minus 11 will give you answer minus 6 because the greater number is having the negative sign. So from 5, you are going to jump 11 times towards the left hand side because you are going to subtract the number. So you reach on the number minus 6. So your answer is minus 6 for this question. Easy. Next one, minus 1 plus minus 7. If I'll open the bracket, it will be minus 1 minus 7. Minus minus will be an addition. So answer you're going to reach as minus 8. Just do the sum in the rough column and then do it on the number line. It will be more clear. So from minus 1 jumping towards the negative side for 7 times, you reach to minus 8. Minus 5 plus 10. Minus plus will be minus according to the rule of the sign. So from minus 5, you are jumping towards the right hand side because there is an addition sign in between and you are going to reach at 5. So your answer is 5. Easy. E, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Yeah, it's not a difficult sum. Let's try. From minus 1, you are jumping for 2 times towards the negative side. Because the number is minus 2 and even if you open the bracket, it will be minus 1 minus 2. Again for 3 times towards the left hand side. You have reached to answer minus 6. Easy. F, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. From minus 2, we are going to jump towards the right hand side for plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and I have reached 6. Again from 8, I have to go towards the opposite side for minus 4. So from 6, ulta bhagenge, तो हम पहुँचे 2. So the answer is 2. Easy. You have to draw the number line in the same way, okay, but with the pencil and scale. Keep that in mind. Learn some rules, which we have already learned, but I am repeating again. Minus minus is plus, minus plus is minus, plus minus is minus and plus plus is plus. This is the sign rule, okay? But with this, you are also going to focus on the numbers if it is greater or smaller. Depending on that, you are going to do the sum. Same sign are added, different signs are subtracted. Keep this in mind. Third question, add without using number line. So here we are not going to use the number line, but we are going to do the sum by opening the bracket and focusing on the sign. 11 bracket minus 7. If I'll open the bracket, this will be 11 minus 7. So answer is going to be 4 because plus minus is minus. Next question, minus 13 plus 18. Now both the sign are plus, though that doesn't matter. If you open the bracket, the sign will remain the same. So it's going to be minus 3 plus 18. So the answer is 5 because the greater number was having the positive sign. C, minus 10 plus 19. If I'll open the bracket again, it will be minus 10 plus 19 and the answer will be 9 because minus plus is minus. So subtraction will be done, but greater number sign will follow the rule. Clear? Now we have D question, minus 250 plus 150. If you'll open the bracket, it will be minus 250 plus 150. You will do the subtraction and the sign will remain negative because here the greater number is negative. So the answer will be minus 100. Next question, minus 380 plus minus 270. We'll open the bracket, it will be minus 380 minus 270 because plus minus is minus. And here again we have the 2 signs, so the rule will be minus minus plus. We'll add these numbers, but the answer will be negative because here the greater number is negative. According to the sign rule, addition will be done, but answer will be negative, that is minus 650. Again in this sum, if I'll open the bracket, it will be minus 217, plus minus will be minus. And minus minus will be addition, but the answer again will be negative, that is minus 317. The next question we have is find the sum of the following. 137 and minus 354. 137 plus bracket minus 354. If you'll open the bracket, it will be again subtraction according to the sign rule, and as the greater number is negative, answer will remain negative. Always remember the sign rule, that's going to help you to solve the equations given in this particular chapter. So the answer will be minus 217. B question, minus 52 and 52. We have to add this, okay? And minus plus is minus. If I will subtract, the answer will be 0. And there should be no sign with 0 because 0 is a neutral number. Minus 312, 39 and 192. We are going to add this number. First what we can do, that we can add the last two numbers because both are positive numbers. So you can do this calculation in your rough column, which you must be doing on the right hand side. So here the answer will be minus 273 plus 192. So I had started from the beginning, that is minus 312 plus 39, and I had got the answer minus 81 because the greater number again is negative. The next is minus 50, minus 200 and 300. We are going to add these numbers. Open the bracket. Minus 200 and minus 50 will be added. So it will be minus 250 plus 300. Answer will be 50 because the greater number was positive. Question number 5th. Find the sum of minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 and plus 16. Here you need to open the bracket and change the sign. Minus 16 plus 4 plus 16. Again the first two numbers will take and do the calculation. Minus 16 plus 4, minus 12 plus 16. Minus plus will be subtraction and answer is 4. B question, 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Open all the brackets and change the sign. Do the calculation from the beginning according to the sign rule that we have discussed earlier. So this will be 35 minus 65 minus 8. Again 35 minus 65, you will get the answer minus 30 minus 8. Okay? Because here the greater number is negative, so answer will be minus, and the final answer will be minus 38. Hope you understood in the exercise. Bye-bye.